Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Up channel, and in this video we are going to continue making our project. That was the sixth project in our series, and this house name was GP house something. So let's get started, and we have already made almost 1 2 3 4 5 videos, so you can watch and learn. And let's get started. After this fifth video you can find the link in the description for these videos. So if you will see the description, you will find that these things over here and over here are coming down, and if you want to put it on the upper side, just put it at 0 maybe, or 4 feet, but it does need something to stay on, so we are going to delete these things. And now we have nothing at the downside. After this we have to edit something over here. So as you can see that it is covered right now, so just delete this part, and we are going to make a new extrusion over this point, that is water type something. So just go to the component, model in place. Here you can select your casework or generic model. In generic model just select this one, extrusion, set extrusion, pick up plane, and then just pick this plane and draw something with line. Just draw something like this, or you can use this pick line option. So 1 2 3 and 4, and then trim it. Just trim this, trim this, trim this, and trim this, and finish. And now you can go to finish model, and if you go to 3D, let us just check it out. So as you can see, it is much larger, so you can reduce the size of it from here. So just select this one, and right now it is at extrusion of 4 inches. You can keep it at 3 inches. I mean, it was at 4 feet. Now I have just put it at 3 inches, and if you want to reduce it a little bit, you can do that. So you can also put it as 1 inches or maybe lower than that. So let me try first putting the downside, I mean the starting point of it, at -4 inches. And if the starting point of it is at -4, you can put the end point at -1 inches, and now it's done. Just finish this model, and after this, as you can see, this does match that wall, but we can still reduce the size of it by a little bit. So just go to the right side, maybe zoom it and put it down, finish this. And here we can see a gap. No, we cannot see. Okay, and you can hide these elements right now. So just to go to select any of this element, go to hide in view and category, and now you can see that everything over the site is hidden right now. After this, what else do we need to make? So let us just check this out. So where was our project? In this one. So these are the reference images that I have used. So these things we have made, this kitchen also, and this car parking area. And if you want to do the area designing of the top floor, we will not do the whole designing, but we will do something about that. And let's just check it out, everything right. And this portion has been done, and as you can see, there's a table in the middle, I think, so we can put that also. And over here we don't have anything, and this is the room on the upper side of the area. So we are going to make this, I think, and I don't think that it is completed over here. This wall just stays till this place, and after this place there's a blank area, I mean the area to roam around, or maybe there would be a toilet. So we'll see what is there. And here it is a glass panel, so maybe this is a place from where you can go out, but there's a door also. So what is this? Okay, we can figure it out later. So just go to this view, and what is next left to be made? I think we need to do some of the interior lighting part and top interior part. So we can do that right now. And if I want to change the material of this wood, let me check if I can do that. Go to the edit family and then select this any of the panel, go to the edit type, and after going to the edit type, let's see, do we have anything to apply the material? Select anyone, visibility, as you can see there's nothing that we can do about it right now. Label mark, so right now I cannot find anything with which I can replace its material. So its name is shutter panel, but no, there's nothing. Or maybe we can go to another edit family, remove constraint, and let's see, and go to the outer panel. And now as you can see that we can edit the material, but there would be a limited material. It will not support the material that we have made earlier. So either we can choose a new material in this one, or we can keep this one. So if you want to make a new material, just go to this create new material, and for that what we have, I don't even know what I choose this color as. So let me go to the edit type, and I chose that as a mullion. So let me go to the mullion first. Okay, these are the mullions only. Select any one of it. Mullion profile is okay, and this is birchwood. So let me check if it is the same birchwood. This one. Okay. So let's go to the view one once again, and here you can change the material. Let me see. Go to this one, and instead of this, just rename it as Joe panel. And after this, go to the asset library. So click on the second one, and after clicking this, select wood, and it was birchwood. So which birchwood it was? I think this semi-gloss. So I'm going to select this one, and after selecting this, just click on apply, and select this one. Go to the edit type. If I can edit it, no, I cannot edit it. We have to edit in group. Then select one of this, and after selecting this one, if we have option to make any changes to it, edit family, select this one, and here we can select the door panel. Do we have that one? No. What if we change the stick to that semi-gloss? No, we cannot do that, otherwise. Okay, actually we can do that. Go to this, and this will directly change the color of the birchwood. So everything will be changed to this color right now. Apply it, and now you can see this is the color. Load into the project and load into this view one. I think this is shutter panel or window. What shutter? Maybe I don't even know. So let me go to realistic. Okay, it has not changed. Again, go to this setup panel instead of this, and okay, and now let's see, override the existing version, go to the realistic view, and yes, half of it has been changed, but other half has not been changed, I think. So I cannot recognize it. Okay, other half has not been changed. So okay, this also has been changed. Okay, finish. Now edit group, select one of it. We cannot edit the parameter. Edit family, as you can see here, we have this color has changed. So load into the family. Okay, let us just finish this one and load into the project. And which was our project? This one. Maybe what if I load it into this one? Okay, just delete this. We have this outer panel. Maybe I can. Okay, this is the last time I'm checking for it. So no, we don't have anything to edit right now. Go to the day 5. Okay, yes, and cancel, go into project, and let's see if anything has been changed. Nothing has changed, but I changed this outer side actually. Again I have to edit the family. This is not a family, this is a sweep. So go to edit sweep. In sweep, just select this one, I think. Okay, we cannot provide a material. Select this, finish it. After finishing it, let us check this one. No, we cannot edit this one. We have edited this file actually. Edit family. Okay, in this place everything has been edited. But I don't understand that why I can't change the color of it. This should have been changed easily. Okay, let's select the other family. Let us see if we have anything else. Edit family. And where is that family? I can't even find out the family right now. Okay, let's just leave it. If we would have made this family by our own, this would have been a much easier task for us. So okay, this has been done. After this, what else do we need to do is this second floor, that is this first floor and interior. So let's get started with it. Let me check the walls first. Double S to hide this one, and we have this walls. This is not the first floor, or maybe this is. We have to understand that HR to get everything back. Here we have a wall. Here we have a toilet, and here we have a bedroom. So let's go to Landscape Asset Library, and in Asset Library you can search for beds. Let me check if it is in turbo mode or not. Okay, just wait for a while, and go to the Asset Library. Here you can find bed, and in bed you can go for the double bed. And you can use this bed over this place, but I think it will cover the whole area actually. If we have a wall over here, it covers the whole area. So just delete this. After this, again go to this, select any of the single bed, or maybe the smaller bed like this one. I think so it will work for us. Okay, it will work for us, but in this direction actually. So we do have something over here, but we can change the alignment of it, but we don't have a wall till here, I think so. And this is our open area that we saw in the image. That is why what we can do is we can use a single bed though, just because we don't have a family, something like that, and I don't want to download it right now, so I'm just going to use this one. So this is the one of the single bed family. After this, you can use a mat in the down portion, and then we have something as a on the sides of it, that is something like a furniture or almirah. Okay, so just go to this furniture, and then go to the downside, and you can either choose this one, or you can use this wall mounted shelf if you want to. So I'm going to use this wall mounted shelf. Okay, this is a much more smaller than I thought, so we need something bigger in size. So wall mounted cabinet, storage cabinet. So bedside cabinet is not there. This is the room divider. You can also use this one, and else we can use in that place. Let's see. So today I'm going slowly, and I think I'm not going to finish this tutorial. I mean, I'm not going to finish this project in this video also. So it will take one more video. So stay tuned, or maybe we can finish this if we don't do this interior parts. So in the interior parts, as you can see, we have to find a lot of things right now. Okay, let's try this one wooden box or door or anything that we can put over this place. So yes, we can put this one but over this place. So what we are going to do is I've just placed this one at this side. I will place this one over here and just move it by a little bit, and after this we can put a TV mount over here. So I know that you cannot see properly. If you higher your resolution, then also there would maybe a problem, a little bit of problem. So don't you need to worry, you can just follow my tutorial, or you can download the file for your reference purpose. So I will provide the link in the description. And this is our TV mount, but person is sleeping over here and TV mount is over this place. You can move it by a little bit. And let me see what else we can do is we can put it here so people can watch TV from here. This is the area for the bathroom. There's a gap in between, and this is the wall. We don't need this wall over here. After this we have this area left, so we can put a cabinet over there. So this is wall mounted cabinet. We need something smaller, so we already have a TV mount, so we can place a smaller sofa over there, I think so. So maybe let's try it. Okay, this is a much bigger sofa, so let's try another one, the smaller one. Okay, this also fulfills all the area over here, so either we can use it or we can leave it, because it is getting out of this door area. So we are going to leave it, and let's see that what else do we have. Okay, we have this double sitting sofa, and as you can see it can be put over this place, and yes, it is done. After this, let me check if we have a wall. So just move it by a little bit like this. After this, again go to the asset library, and after this we can put something like mat over there. So go to the furniture, no, go to this, and here we can find something that we want. Selecting this object is quite a lengthy part of it, so you can do this one by one for every room. I'm just trying to do this part only. After this, one more room we can do, that is this open area over here. I mean, not this open area, this is living room type on the top floor, so we can also make this one. And what if I just hide it, double S to hide it, and let me check what we have in the range base level. So yes, now it is fine. Now as you can see, everything in the below, that is below this level, has been removed. After this we have a sofa like this, so let us see if we can find something like that, or we can find a way to mimic that one. Let's check it out. You will have to be patient to find something like this type of things. Okay, and if you want, you can just draw it with extrusion also. That is also an option, so you can choose that one, and We have, what do we have here? This looks like bathroom. This looks like wardrobe. I cannot even understand what is that. And okay, this is a bedroom, this is a wardrobe, and this is a attached toilet to it. So yes, now we can understand it. And this sofa is way too large for that area. So let's choose something else. So this is a sitting area, and a TV is applied over here. I mean, put over that place. So I've just applied one of the sofa over here, and maybe we can apply the same sofa that is by CS. If you press CS on your keyboard, and if you can see, this is a little bit larger than this size. So let's select anything that is in between that size. So we can go for the double sitting sofa. Let's select something of a double sitting, or you can select this single sitting sofa. Or if, what if we select this bigger, I mean the larger sofa that covers all this side of it. So as you can see, it is also the larger than this room, so we cannot use that. And this is a smaller sofa, but it would not work. Maybe this one works for us. Yes, this one did work. So we are going to place this two at this side, and then just select this one, delete this one, select this CS on your keyboard, that is create similar, or you can select it from here. Let me show you. Just select this one, and now you can see that we have a create similar option. After this, press space, and now you can align it like this, and now we have a sofa on all these three sides. After this, we need a smaller table in the middle, and that is, as you can see, it is a rectangular table. So let's select any of the rectangular smaller table. This type of table we can use. We can also use this triangular table, and we have something like this. Maybe this would work for us. So I know that this is going to be a bit larger for it, but as you can see that it matches over all the sides. After this, we have just a TV over this place, and just remove this. And as you can see, we don't have a wall at this place, I think so. So we can apply the wall, WF for the wall, and then 4.5 inches wall. Just apply a wall from here to here, and then trim this place from here to here, and then trim this one from here. And we have a door like area, so we can make it smaller like this, and now it will be something as an open area. Or what else we can do is, we can put our door at this side, but we are going to keep it, and let's just do it this way only. So maybe there's a wall in, I mean this wall in the between. This door is half of this door is at this place, and half of this door is at this place. I know this is not looking right, but we have limited resources, so we have to work with that one only. After this, we have to search for a television, and as you can remember, in last video I have searched for the television, and it was showing no result, so we have to find it by our own. As you can see, you can select this one. This is something like plasma TV, and just put it on this wall. So double time space, put it on this wall, and then escape it. And after this, select this one and put it at a height of 2 feet 6 inches, and now it's done. After that, we have to apply a bed over here. So you can go to the asset library once again, and then TR for the not TR, oh, okay, I just forgot it. And we have to find bed. I thought that we have to apply a door. So just as you can see, we are searching in furniture right now, and here you can just go for the door, and we cannot find it. Okay, let's search something else, and then right here, bed. Okay, there's some, okay, yes, this, you can click on this all, and now we have it. And we can use this bed. Yes, we can use it. After this, we have to apply a shelf. So go to furniture and remove this, and furniture, yes, this one. Go to the TV mount, Where is that TV mount? Okay, these are the side mounts, TV mount, and every type of mount over here. So let's check what is appropriate for us. So maybe this one. So just press space one time, and now we can just apply it over here. After this, you need to align it. So as you can see that our wall is over here, so just select this wall and select this one, and now it is applied over here. After this, if you can remember, we had a TV at this place, so just move it by a little bit, and maybe the TV is visible to us. No, it is not visible, so we have to search it for once again. Go to the accessories, and in accessories, if I can find the TV once again. Okay, before finding a TV, I'm going to use this rug over here. So this rug can be used some, either you can use it by this vertical side, or if you press space you can use it like this, that is horizontal side. So I have put it on horizontal side. After this, let's check something else. Where's our TV? Let's try to find it quickly. Is there any option to make it favorite? Yes, there is, maybe. So I'm going to make my TV. This time I will find the TV and I'm going to make it favorite so that I can find it easily. Every time I had to search it and it takes a longer time. So as you can see that we can find the rug but not the TV. Okay, this are the TVs. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 are my favorite right now, and every time I search for it, now I can find it. After this, you need to apply your TV over here, or you can choose this TV that is at this place with a stand. As you can see, we can apply it here. Then just select this one, tab, and now we have the TV. Place it at 2 feet 6 inches, and I don't know it is at correct place or not. We can find it in 3D view, so we will check it out later. After this, what if you want to do the some of interior designing, like let me see where we can do that. We have a bedroom over here. We have, okay, let's see what else we can do. After that, I will think about interior designing. That is that can be made by place this component in place. I mean model in place. Okay, so either we can do that or we can skip that part because I know that I'm going slowly. And after this, let me put a rug over this side also, and go to the wall mount. So go to the furniture, go to this wooden mount, and maybe I can place it over here. And as you can see, this door can be blocked, and here we don't have, okay, we have a wall. And we have a door over here, so we can apply this door over this side, so this area can be left. After this, we have to make this bathroom part. So in bathroom part, what we can do is we can apply one of the curtain wall, and then we can apply the mullions to make it look like a bathroom, and for that we can put a shower. So let us search for shower. Go to the accessories and then go to the bathroom, and here you will find something like this shower head. Select the shower head, and put it over this side, and then give it a height of 8 feet or maybe 7 feet. That is the average size of it. So I put it at 7 feet. As you can see, we can see it but we cannot edit it. And after this, if you want to apply a mirror, here is our that what we call sink. So over this sink you can apply this mirror. So as you can see, we have applied this mirror. Then just press escape, and after pressing escape, select this mirror. Okay, if you can't select it, press tab on your keyboard double time, and now you can see that I've selected this. Give it a height offset of 2 feet 6 inches. After this you can just put it out actually, and then align it, and align it with the this part with this part, and now we have it aligned. After this we have to make a basin, I mean sink, and we are going to select the sink that is provided by this Revit, I mean Enscape, and let's see if we can fit it over here. Okay, we can fit it. So just apply this sink. After this we can apply this hanging toilet over this place. Press space, place a hanging this one, and after this we don't have a wall over here. Go to the wall. Always remember to save your project. If there's a pop-up on your window, go to the wall, and in wall you can go for curtain wall. As you can see that I don't even remember what type of curtain wall we have renamed it. So let's just go to 3D view, go to the wall, select any of this side, and then go to the curtain wall, and let's try to draw it. And as you can see that this looks like glass. Okay, this is fine, so I'm going to select this one only. Go to the wall, go to the curtain wall, and after going to the curtain wall, just draw a curtain wall starting from here and ending at this place. Okay, after this we have to apply a door type over here because this is a 4 feet and we cannot keep it at 4 feet. Okay, I've just applied it. After this, after applying this one, what you can do is let's select this one, and this is from the first floor to the second floor. That is fine. Go to the 3D view, go to the left view, I think. After this, go to section box, and in section box you have to make it smaller, something like this, and then let's just search for our toilet, and this is our toilet. Select this and keep it till the first floor, and if it doesn't fit over here, just keep it till here. After this, where's our shower head? I cannot find our shower head. It was okay, we have written every that landscape part over here, so that is fine. After this, we go to curtain grids and apply a grid at 3 feet, I think, or 2 feet 6 inches. Let's make it 2 feet 6 inches, or put it at, first let me put it at 7 feet maybe. Okay, press escape, select this one and put it at 7 feet exactly. After this, go to the curtain grid and one segment, select just one segment, and over here just put it something like this and give it an size of 2 feet 6 inches. Enter, and now we have this wall. As you can see, I'm in this panel, and in this panel just select one of the glass panel type, or you can go for the door that we already have. So this is the door. If you want to change the side of it, you can just select this one and press space, and now you can see that we have changed this side of it successfully. After this, select this one, and if you have the loaded family that I have already provided, this like glass panel one, I think so, yes. So either you can use this one that I have provided in the link in the description for this family, or This is one of the way, and other way is go to the mullions, and right now it is wooden mullions, and instead of wooden mullions go to maybe this square mullion. And this square mullion, as you can see, this is of aluminum color, so you can change its color later on. That is also an option. And except this, we have one option, that is changing the whole panel at once. So just select this panel and select the glass panel, and now as you can see that we have something like this over here, and this is the door for the toilet, and we have everything that we require for this one. And if you want to change the interior side of it, you can change it, but I don't think it is required right now, so we are going to keep it the way it is right now. After this, go to the left view, and you can just remove your section box, or first you can increase the size of it like this, and then remove your section box. And after all of these things, as you can see that we are done with that part. This is open area, this is not an open area. Let's just try to put it like this, so everything can be covered. After this, we can, what is left to do? So I think we can finish it over here, but on the first floor we need to apply some of the dough. So just select your dough, and in dough we had something like the dough in the bottom side of it. So let's try first what types of dough we have. This is not required right now because this, okay, this one I will apply this dough at every point. So select DR for the dough, and then apply your dough over here. And let's just check this one. What is the size of the width? As you can see, it is 3 feet 1 inches, and we don't require this long, I mean this width door, so we can make it as 2 feet 6 inches, and then 2 feet 6 inches, and here we have 2 feet 6 inches, and now we have the width of the door that we want. As you can see, this door has been applied, so you can put this door something like this, press space to change the side of it. So as you can see, this is applied. After this, we have a door over here, so we need to put a wall first, from starting from this place to this place, and this is curtain wall, but we don't want a curtain wall, we want a 4.5 inches wall. So we have a 4.5 inches wall at this place. Just align it, AL for the align shortcut, or if you want you can keep it like this. TR is the door shortcut, and as you can see, we have applied this door, but it is much larger for this size, as you can see. So just delete this one, select this one, CS for the create similar, and now you can put this same door over here. Press double time space, I mean escape, and then it's done. And after all this, go to here, search for, just remove this bathroom tag, and here you can search for bed once again. Go for any of the bed, so I'm selecting this bed, or you can select something smaller like this. Okay, this is also in the largest size format. Okay, this is the single bed. Okay, I'm going to select the single bed only. Done. After selecting all of these things, after making this bathroom, this toilet part, we can, okay, we have to make this one at this side, and I don't want to do this, so just apply a door over here and make a door. After this, we have this TV area, everything has been made, and there's a sit out area over here, so we can make that one, and I'm going to leave this one. You can do it by your own, this portion. As you can see, there's a room over here, there's a bathroom, and there's a room. So you can make these two rooms, or you can just select this one, yes, and you can apply a bed over here, and then double time space, okay, and put it over here. Then in the middle we have a bathroom, so you can just select this hanging toilet where it was. Yes for this, that is create similar, and put it over this place. As you can see that we have not made a wall over here, so you can make a wall, WA for the wall, and go to the 4.5 inches or either 9 inches. So I'm selecting 4.5 inches wall from this side to this side, and from here to here, and done. And then WA for the wall once again, and make a wall from here to here, align it something, okay, just put it like this, and you can apply this something like this. And then we have a wardrobe area or TV area, and after this what we have here is you can keep it as dressing room, maybe, I don't know. And here you need to make a shower area, so you can make it by your own. I just told you how to make it. After this, if you want to make there's one more bathroom area over here, and 1 2 3 wall has been provided. Just place a door, so I'm placing a door over here, and then this door has been provided. I have to place a door over this place. Then we have to provide a wall first here, and then make a wall from here to here. And after making this, place a door. I don't know I'm placing it at correct position or not, so let's just keep it till here. After this, there's a sitting area where we have to put something at this place. So just go to here and go to furniture, maybe, so something as dining or sit out area thing, sit out area type of something, or we can just create it. So just place a round table, okay, and after providing this round table, just select something like this or like this, and I think this is much larger in size. Okay, let's just see it in 3D first, and then we will come to the conclusion. As you can see, it is way too close with it, so I'm going to delete this one. So I just deleted everything. Okay, go to the ground level, select this one, unhide, and unhide in view, and element, maybe in category we have to do it unhide category, and now it's done. After this, go to the ground level once again, go to this asset library once again, and here you can find something like this round table that is smaller in size. Okay, this is smaller. Let's go to 3D view. So 1 2, and where's the third one? It has not been placed. Okay, it has not been placed, so let's select this one, CS for the create similar, and put it over here, and done. And now we have 4 of this sitting table over here. After this, if you want to move it, you can do that. Just select all of this at once, and then use your arrow keys to move it. So as you can see, we have this one. After this, let's go to 3D once again, and let's check So we have to do something in the outer side area. So we need to apply some of the homes on the outer side. So go to the street props. We can use some of these things like this pergola, and we can apply this pergola at the starting of this point. So maybe over here, this is the ground floor, we have to make it at side, I don't know. So I have just applied two of the pergola. After this, you can make a sitting bench area, and where could be that. You can just place it over here, or we can, okay, just leave that one. Go to this lantern. And remember that we have not applied any of the light, and we can do that. So in this session, I think I'm not going to do the scheduling part. We are just going to finish this exterior and interior parts, and then we are just going to leave this one. And in next session, I'm just going to do this scheduling parts, the sheet making part, and making the rooms, and what else, the legends. So these are the things that are left. Just remember that it is not finished yet. There's one more tutorial left after this, and we can make this billboard. So I'm just putting these things, like, I know that this is not required over here, but still I'm just trying to make our site look more appealing. Apply it over here and apply it over here, and then let's just put few of these houses, complex apartments and all this. So one, we can put it over here, then escape, then put something smaller on the other side. So I'm going to select this family house. I'm going to put it over this side. After this, just remember that I'm just doing it for looking good, and in real life these are not required. In real life you have to take the data of the area, then make the landscape like that. So we have to remove this tree, then again go to the Revit, family house, okay, we can use this one on the side of it. Okay, we can put it at this side maybe. Select this office building, and put it somewhere over here. So out of our site, after this you can select this park, I mean this sitting park area, and as you can see that we have not made any of the boundary. If you want to make the boundary, you can do that. Okay, these are done. After this, if you want to put some street lights, you can do that, wind turbine and everything. These are just for purpose, different purpose, I mean. And this billboard cannot be applied here. Okay, we are going to apply it somewhere on the back side of it. Okay, done. After that, we have designed the side of it. What else do we need? We have to move this something over here. Select this CS, select I mean, we can put some of it over here, and put it over this side, put it over this side, put it over this side, and then just select this all three, select and move it here. Then we have a card, just go to create similar and put one more card over here, and then after this go to 3D view, remove this hidden element, and now you can see that this is something how it looks. And if you want to edit something else, like I want to put this trees on other side like this, and as you can see, we don't require it over here, we don't require it over here, so we just move it. And we can put our other house at this side and this house at this side, and then go to CS and put something over here that is out of our sight, and you can put this one over here, and now it's done. And after this CS, and put it over here, move it by a little bit like this. Again go to CS, that is create similar, and put it over here, and one more at this side, and now it's done. After this, we don't require anything else for the outer visibility portion, or maybe you can apply one or two more trees. And we don't have a road, so we have to make a floor over here, so just delete this one and go to the floor, close this. We cannot make floor, go to the road level, and in road level select your floor, and then select this rectangle and make something like door, I mean floor, from here to here. Finish it, go to the 3D view, and as you can see it is hidden, so you can just, it is at -9. First put it at 0, and let's see, it merges with this one, so we need to put it at 3 inches maybe. And at 3 inches, as you can see, everything is fine, and we can remove this from here. So just go to edit boundary and put it till here, finish it, and give it a material. And if you want to make something on the side of it, so just go to the edit type, and okay, let's finish it. Go to the road level once again, go to the floor and select floor, and here you can design a boundary line. So as you can see, we have designed something like this, and then select this one and mirror it from the middle of it, and now we have something like this, and finish it. After finishing, as you can see that these things are not visible, so we have to put it on 5 inches maybe, and now it looks a little bit on the top side of it. And maybe if you want, you can increase the size of it, because it is going underneath this grass, so grass is going to look, I mean, grass is going to be visible on the outer side of this floor, so keep it at 8 inches and keep this one at 11 inches. Now everything is fine. After making this thing, we have to provide it with a material, so just go to the edit type, and in edit type, first of all duplicate it and write it as road. Then go to edit types, go to by category, and here you can apply asphalt, and okay, we are going to choose damp proofing, finish, okay. And for this portion you can go to the edit type, duplicate it and rename it as tiles, and then go to edit type by category, and if you can find any of the tile material over this place, you can either use that, or you can go to, you can make a new road side tile, and after this go to the appearance, go for anything that is ceramic type. Here I can select this one, apply it, and we have a relief pattern, and just make it of the highest available amount and press OK, and now you can see that we have applied something like this, and this one is fine. And after this, what else can we do? Okay, we can provide a material to this place, and if you want to provide it with a white material. Okay, this is not where we can provide material, I think so. So let's just check this one out first, and here if you want you can provide a material to this floor, I mean. So what type of material can be applied for this walking area? Let's just check this out. Go to edit type, go to duplicate and walking, and then select this one, and then select walking, select this one and go for walking, and now we have everything as walking. Just make change to this walking, create new material, one dot walk, asset library, appearance, and here you can go to any of this ceramic or stone. So I'm going to use this stone over here. You can use the granite, you can use this one, there's a jagged rock wall, I think I should use this, or you can use this one. So I'll use this one, finish. Okay, let's just keep it, and if you want you can make a little bit changes to it. For example, I want to move it and make it smaller because I don't want it to overlap. Finish it, and here it is overlapping. Let's just leave that portion. After this everything is done, and what else I need is I want this portion to come till, okay, move it like this and select this one, put it till here and put it till here, then delete this one and finish. And as you can see there's something wrong, so this portion is not yet done. Trim, conjoint element, finish it, still there's a problem. Okay, just trim this one and delete this one, then again try to trim it. Conjoint element and finish it, and now we are done. After finishing this, just select this one like this, and keep it till first floor. And now everything is done. After this, start rendering it. And as you can see, we have finished 1 hour mark, and we have something like this, and I think this looks spectacular because I have made it. So as you can see that this column that was of black color, so we can do that. Select this column, go to edit type, edit. Okay, not this one, go to category, and here right now it is white. You can select any of the black material. For example, I'm going to choose this aluminum, and now it's done. After this, I will delete this extra car because it is coming in our way. So let's just put it like that, and move this elephant by a little bit. And after this, what else is needed? Okay, everything is visible as you can see. Okay, just go to 3D view, and as you can see, we have got some this renderings. As you can see, it looks way better than I thought. And over here, as you can see, that there's this exclamation mark on the door. So we have put a wrong family. You can just remove this one and use a different family with that one. And we have a door over here. So I don't understand why we have a double door over here. So I think there's a walking area over here, and it can't steal this place. Okay, let it be. We have made it according to our project, what I have seen. So we are going to keep it, and now you can see that this is perfect. From here we enter our room, and here we have our door, and as you can see that this door is much more wider than we can see. So let's just keep it. After this, we have this sofa, that is double deck sofa over here and over here, and this is our dining area. If I can change the room lighting, yes, I can do that. And now you can see that this is our dining area of 5 peoples, and we have a sitting area in this kitchen of the 3 people. We don't have much thing. As you can see, we have this cooktop. After this, we have a basin that is in wrong direction, so if you want to correct it, go to the ground level, select the basin at this place, press space, and again go to the basin, and here we have what is it. Let's check. Okay, select this one, rotate it something like this, then go to 3D, and now you can see that we have a basin over here. And if you feel that this is at wrong place, you can just move it by a little bit more. But if I can get close to it, as you can see, this really looks like real one. And here we don't have a opening area for this basin, so let's just keep it the way it is. After this, as you can see, we have this wardrobe attached refrigerator, so that is fine. Then we have this type of thing, something, and after this we have our stairs that correctly placed over here. After this is placed at a wrong place. I'm not at a wrong place, but something wrong out there. So this is the place, we have to move it, maybe not this one. This came from here. Then we have a sofa over here. Just delete this sofa and try to select a wall. If we have a wall, then we should not have something like this. It is which area? Just after stair area. So just after stair. Okay, this one. So we have not put a wall in between, so just put a wall. WA is the wall shortcut. Select this one, from here to here, move it by a little bit, and then go to 3D, and now you can see that we have a wall. Then we have this wardrobe, and as you can see that the TV over here is not at the right place, but you can place a TV. Did I try to put a TV over here? I don't even remember. Okay, this is placed wrong, so just go double time space bar and move it by a little bit. Move it, go to 3D, and now you can see that this wardrobe looks perfect at this place. After this wardrobe, we have some of this walking area. If you want to keep it, you can keep it this way, or you can just put this whole wall till this place if you want to. That is an optional. And after this, as you can see, this is a bedroom. We need to put a door over this side, and this is the outer area, how it looks. So this door family, we need to make some changes to this door actually. Okay, let's try. Go to any of the two, edit, and grand white color fill. Okay, we don't have its material, so we can apply seal color, frame color is fine. Seal color, let's try here. And as you can see, it is generating everything. After this, go to the 3D view once again. We cannot change it. Okay, leave it. We don't have time for that right now. And after this, if you want, let me see. If you want to keep this stair like this, it is fine. Or if you want to make a copy of this stair till the top floor, you can also do that. But I'm not going to do that in this project. And as you can see, there's something in this door that is coming out of it, and what it is, I don't even know. So let's just keep it. I will what we can do is I will find a new door family and apply that tool instead of this one. So we are just going to select that one at once, and as you can see, the TV over here is not at the right place, so you can make changes to it by yourself. Then this looks good. Okay, this is fine. This place is also fine. This walking place is just fine the way we want, so from all sides, as you can see. And over here we have to put something or people will fall down from here. Let's check. Okay, we can put it something over here, so we will put that one later, or we can do that right now. Okay, where is that? CS create similar. Go to Revit, and now you can see that, and we have put it something over this side. And now let's try to see this from the front view of our house. So we don't have lighting family, so it will look black, I mean dark. And if you want to apply this top floor till here, you can do that. I'm not going to do that, or I can do that. Let me see. That is not required. Still, if you want, you can do that. But for me, I don't think so. So let's just keep it at one side, and if you do that, you will not have a walking area over here. So if you want that, you can do that. And what else? Here we don't have water. We are going to make the water family. this one, edit type, edit in place, select this one, give it a material that is water, select this water, finish model, go to 3D, and let's check, and now it's the dirty water, so we have to change it. Let's go to edit in place once again, select this one, and in water select something like tropical water, apply it. Okay, after this let me just increase the size of this one actually, and instead of -4 inches I'm going to keep it at -4 feet. Finish. Let's just check this out. Okay, from the downside we can see it. Yes, now it is going, but there's some problem that is on this side. So what's the problem? We need to figure this out, or we can leave it. From here I cannot see water. From nearby I can see it. As you can see, the liquid is flowing, but something is covering it. So this portion, let me check what is that. I will have to hide it. After this we have this portion. Let's check it in 3D. Okay, actually we have a layer. So go to edit boundary for that layer, and let's just delete the outer side, finish it, attach it, unjoint it, and maybe that was grass layer that I deleted, so I will have to check it in 3D and scale. No, that's not the one. Okay, there's a layer of this type something, and this only I think comes in this place. Yes or no? Let's hide this one, and now we have a layer over here, and I can see that. And this is a building pad actually. Can we edit that? This is the topography, massing and site. Okay, edit boundary, and in edit boundary select this one, cut this portion out of it. So select this, trim it. Okay, now we are done. After this, just press HR and get everything back. Okay, where is our material that we used here? Okay, we have to create it once again. Go to the component, model in place, generic model. Okay, after this go to extrusion, select this line and then select the inner wall, something like this. Okay, it is already overlapping. Cancel it, finish it. Okay, that was transparent material over here. Let's go to 3D and now you can see that now grass can be seen from the outer side of it. So water is visible. Okay, for that we can do something about that. Yes, we can. So first of all, let's make it smaller a little bit. Then just double S to hide this material, and then when we are going to make a new material at this place that is going to cover this one, and that would not be a transparent material, and that is it. So we are going to provide a tile material over there, and by that we can just hide this thing. So just go to the extrusion, cancel it, create extrusion, and then pick line, pick this line. Okay, set, you don't need to set plane, just okay, you need to set a plane, pick a plane and then select this. What is this? Select this one, go to line, set plane, pick a plane, pick this plane and pick 1, 2, 3, 4, trim it. And here we are going to use the bathroom tile material for this one. So go to category and instead of water make a new material, that is swimming tile. You can also add one in the starting of it, then go to the appearance, go to the ceramic, and here you can find this one, apply it, and in relief form just put it something like this, and okay, and finish it. And now as you can see, this is a of much larger size right now. Just reduce the size of it like this and then press HR to get everything back, and now go to the 3D view, and now it looks something like this. So water is on the downside, this place. Okay, now just done. Let's just skip it, or maybe we can edit it a little bit more. Double S to hide it, go to this view, hide it, hide this one, front view, keep it something like this, and then select this one and then reduce the size of it like this, then press HR, and if you want you can reduce the size of it by a little bit more. Double S to hide this one, select this one, put it on the downside and from upper side, add it in place. Okay, we are going to keep it like this, HR, and then go to 3D. No brass is visible. Okay, let's leave it. I'm going to finish it in the next model, so don't you worry. We are going to do everything right. So everything is done over here. As you can see the 3D view, you can just check the interior view of it. So this is how it looks, and looks can be deceptive. And let's just finish this model, and in next class we are going to do scheduling, and that swimming pool part will be done, and everything else has been done for this project, and then we will end the session and start a new project. And you can suggest me any of the project that you want to make, so write down in the comments below, or we can make something. Someone has requested to make something of Indian house that is easier to make for beginners, so we can do that. And as you can see, this wall is out, so try to find the way how can you do it. Okay, let me do it. Actually, how to put it down, just select this one, and instead of this one, go to the first floor, and okay, instead of this, go to the first floor and notice. And if you go to 3D, that will be removed, and you can see that this is a much more cleaner. We have something sponsor like, and now it's done. After this, let's just end this session and meet you in the next session. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.